you're going to choose your paintbrush and you're just going to draw kind of a squiggle line, and then you're going to select the squiggle line, hold the Alt or Option key, drag it a little bit below, drag another one below, and drag it another one below. So make 4 copies of that. I'm going to select these 4 lines. I'm going to go up to Edit, Copy, Edit, Paste in Front. So now I have 2 copies of all of those lines. I'm going to go up to Object on the menu, Transform, and I'm going to choose Rotate 90 degrees. I click OK. Now that I have that selected, while I have that selected, I'm going to choose a different color. So you can see I have different colors for the vertical versus the horizontal lines. I'm going to select everything, go up to Object on the menu, go down to where it says Intertwine, Make. This will allow me to overlap different sections and choose what's in front. So I go to this first one. You can see the black is in front. I skip one. I go to the next one. And now it looks like these threads are interweaving. I can do the same thing. I can look down here and I can just go down and skip every other one to make it the opposite. By doing this, it'll make it look as though these lines are interwoven together. And if you mess up, you just click on the spot and it will switch it back. You can also draw different shapes. So if I go to the ellipse tool, I have to make sure that there is no fill applied. So I'm going to make sure my fill is set to none. I will make my stroke bigger. And then I'm going to switch to another tool. Let's say a rectangle tool. I draw the rectangle over the top. I'm going to choose a different color. For the stroke, I make sure that there's no fill. I can select both of these shapes. I go up to Object, Intertwine, Make, and I can choose where I want these 2 shapes to go through. And so now it looks like these are connected together.